Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again and thank you for coming back. So today my mom has decided to show you how she does cook her veggies and potatoes. That's what we are going to do today. So now let's jump into the video, guys. First, what you need onion. This is onion, red pepper, carrots. Then you have green beans, Then you have broccolis, and then this is and cauliflower. Then you have maggi, you have olive oil, you have black pepper, and then mustard. And you have coriander mixed with garlic. Yep. So yeah, she has to mix everything. So guys, enjoy the video.
You're a stranger now. Your eyes escaping mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone? Magic's gone. Been months of buffing the bushes and faking the butterflies. Wake up, yeah, I'm kicking the castle down. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk. I think it's time to talk. Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escaping mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone?